A recent survey found that 98% of business leaders believe AI will have transformed their industry within the next 3 years. 98%. That's basically like all of them. Meanwhile, CFO.com reported that 72% of business leaders believe AI will improve employee productivity, yet only a fraction of them have begun harnessing its power. And you don't want to be one of the people left in the dust, right? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to build a profitable, thriving business from scratch using AI tools as your secret weapon in just a matter of days so you can stay ahead of the curve. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, get ready to level up. The old ways of starting a business are slow, expensive, and risky. Market research, product development, branding, it all takes time and a ton of upfront investment. And even then, success is far from guaranteed. But what if there was a way to shortcut the process, minimize the risk, and maximize your chance of success? That's where the power of AI comes in. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap for building your own Shopify store using AI. We'll cover everything from idea generation to marketing, and I'll even show you how to use AI to scale your business once it's up and running. So forget those vague, theory-based AI videos. I'm going to give you actionable strategies and real-world examples that you can start using today. Part 1, build your business with AI. First things first. You need to come up with a winning idea for a business. Can't figure out where to even start? LLMs like ChatGPT and Google Gemini can analyze market trends, customer needs, or gaps in the market to generate that lightning bolt business idea. Just prompt it with something like, what are the top trending products or services on the market right now? We've actually posted a really great prompt engineering tutorial video on our channel, so I dropped that link for y'all down below so you can check that out. After you finish this video, of course. And based on the results, choose the product or service that appeals to you the most. A good rule of thumb is to generally choose something you yourself are interested in or passionate about. Doing so will ultimately make everything a little more easy, fun, and enjoyable for you, because we're not trying to have a bad time while running our business every day, right? Okay. So this is awesome. Based on these results, I'm going to pick noise-canceling headphones because, funny enough, I was literally in the market for a pair this month before an upcoming trip. Who knew I wasn't the only one? Next, we're going to prompt it with, what are profitable online business ideas related to noise-canceling headphones? And as you can see, ChatGPT just listed 8 different profitable business ideas with subcategories that leverage the rising demand for my trending product. In fact, number 3, dropshipping business with headphone accessories, even suggests using Shopify. I know what you're thinking, but that was not a paid advertisement. We're just that good. And it's as easy and quick as that. Once you've found your genius business idea, the next hurdle is creating the perfect name for your brand and a memorable logo. AI-powered naming tools like Namelix and Atom are able to suggest unique and catchy business names, while AI design tools like Looka and BrandCrowd can help you create professional-looking logos in minutes. AI-powered branding tools ensure your new business starts with a professional look and feel, because first impressions matter, which is something I talked about in my last video, how to make more sales on Shopify. Next, writing a business plan is crucial, but it can be time consuming. However, creating one with AI is faster and easier than ever because it streamlines market analysis to help you better understand your audience and competitors by scanning industry data, social media behavior and reviews, financial projections to help you forecast your growth by estimating revenue based on trends and competitor benchmarks, tracking and forecasting expenses, and testing what-if scenarios to evaluate financial risks and opportunities, and social media marketing strategies by using AI tools like Shopify Magic to generate product descriptions and social media captions. More on this in a bit. And recommending ad copy, targeting strategies, and posting schedules. And the best part, AI will actually give you ideas that you can implement right away. LivePlan is a great AI tool that offers step-by-step guidance for creating business plans and includes templates, financial forecasting, and performance tracking. Honestly, it low-key feels a little like cheating, but it's not. With AI as your co-pilot, you can spend your valuable time focusing on innovation and growth while it handles the details. Part 2, create a Shopify store with AI. Did you know Shopify has AI tools built in like Shopify Magic and Shopify Sidekick? You can also use AI to streamline essential tasks so you can save time and improve efficiency. Here's how they are beneficial. Jasper and Copy.ai can create tailored SEO-friendly product descriptions based on a few product details, ensuring consistency and quality across listings. MailChimp uses AI to write compelling email campaigns, including audience segmentation and subject line generation. And I have personally found ChatGPT and Gemini to be my favorite when it comes to creating social media captions. And again, if prompted correctly, these tools will help you create ads that are aligned with your brand's existing tone. Remove.bg is a tool that removes backgrounds from images so you can create professional product photos. Fun fact, Shopify Magic also does this as well, so if you already have a Shopify account, you can access this feature for free. Better visuals enhance trust and increase conversions, and ultimately, you can present polished product images without needing expensive photo shoots or editors. See, we're saving money. Girl math. And for businesses expanding internationally, Shopify Magic even offers multi-language support to connect with a broader audience. Next, let's talk about the Robin to your Batman. You've got your store up and running, but now you need to make sure everything is running smoothly day to day. Tools like Shopify Sidekick act as your virtual business assistant. Sidekick simplifies tasks like changing themes, updating inventory, or adjusting store policies via conversational commands. It analyzes sales trends and customer behavior, suggesting ways to improve performance, such as discounts or new marketing strategies. And it helps resolve issues on the spot, like fixing shipping settings or finding the source of a sales dip. For example, if a business owner asks, "Why did sales drop last week?" Sidekick can quickly identify that a key product went out of stock. Here's why all of this matters. These AI tools help entrepreneurs scale their businesses efficiently by reducing manual effort, optimizing content, and providing actionable insights. Shopify Magic focuses on engaging customer communication, while Sidekick ensures smooth operations by acting like a virtual store manager. Together, they enable business owners to spend more time on growth and strategy. See, Alfred, now you get my whole Batman and Robin analogy. And by the way, if you want a deeper dive into what Magic and Sidekick are and how to use them, or how to build a Shopify store specifically, we have linked a video for you here. Obviously, you'll want to have a Shopify account in order to use Magic and Sidekick, but if you haven't signed up yet, today is your lucky day because I threw a link for you down below for a free trial. Don't say I never gave you anything. All right, y'all, we made it to your part 3, improve your Shopify business with AI. For those of you who are already set up with a business on Shopify, first off, thank you for sitting through this video until now. Here's how AI can help you scale your existing business. And for those of you who are just getting started, here's how to use AI once you've got your business up and running. Use AI chatbots like Tidio or Zendesk within Shopify's built-in tools to provide 24/7 customer service. You might be surprised to learn that these chatbots are able to handle common inquiries, so you can be free to focus on more complex issues. The added benefit, this also improves customer satisfaction and reduces response times. It's a win-win. Next, AI tools can predict sales trends and suggest inventory levels so you never run out of stock or over-order. This ultimately reduces carrying costs and improves cash flow. Shopify Flow can automate stock updates, low inventory alerts, and product restocking so you can manage supply chains efficiently and meet customer expectations. Also, did you know you can use Shopify's ad integration tool to create, optimize, and manage ad campaigns automatically? AI helps target the right audience, improve ad copy, and adjust budgets for a better return on investment. And finally, AI analytics tools like Shopify Reports and Sidekick provide real-time insights into sales, conversion rates, and customer behavior. These tools also recommend actionable improvements so you can make data-driven decisions to scale operations and increase profitability. Tools like Shopify Analytics now include AI-powered insights to help you make smarter business decisions. By leveraging AI tools effectively, Shopify store owners can boost efficiency, enhance the customer experience, and grow revenue without adding complexity to their workflows. These tools make it easier to automate routine tasks so you can focus on scaling the business. All this to say, work smarter, not harder. And there you have it. We've explored how AI can be the easiest way to not just build your business, but to create a thriving Shopify store and improve every aspect of your operations. Remember, AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that's accessible to businesses of all sizes, even if you're just starting out. By leveraging AI tools and technologies, you can streamline your operations, improve your customer experience, and ultimately achieve greater success. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the possibilities of AI today. And speaking of exploring the possibilities of AI, make sure to check out some of our other Learn with Shopify videos like 10 amazing AI tools for your business you won't believe exist, and 20 free mobile AI apps you won't believe are free. Or if you want to learn more about Shopify Magic and Sidekick and how to use it, we also have a video for that too. And so much more. So subscribe to Learn with Shopify for more tips on how to use AI for your business. Remember, 98% of business leaders believe AI will have transformed their industry within the next 3 years. The future is AI powered, so embrace it and watch your store thrive. I'm your host, Kylie Marr. See you next time.